guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. Okay guys, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on with this vlog. I decided to keep this vlog as pretty much just me sorting out my new home salon, but I can't 100%, like I haven't edited anything yet. I'm just about to go and edit it and upload it for you all now. But I can't actually remember what I have shown you, what I've actually filmed, or what's going on. So basically, part of last week I filmed this, and then this week, and I wanted to put it all in one video because it's just easy for you guys to see. Like, if people are just wanting to see like a salon, then it's all in one video. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to just let you guys watch, and also I'm going to show you where we've got to. It's nearly finished. Hey guys, it's now Saturday, and I have decided, this is how completely insane I am, but basically I have decided that I'm going to move my salon downstairs. I really want to start, now that I'm a qualified nail tech, I'm also a qualified hairdresser. Some of you guys might already know that, some of you might not. And obviously this space is kind of like my safe haven. It's like my own personal space where I do all like my editing and filming and stuff. And this isn't really set up to have clients, even though I have said it. Like, this is where I would do hair clients and stuff. There's not loads of space. It's a bit awkward and people have to come upstairs and all that. So anyway, to cut a long story short, I've decided I'm going to move the salon downstairs. I'm going to split the nursery because I do childminding, but because I only do before and after school, I don't need all the provision and as much things as I would if I was doing early years. I've decided I'm going to kind of like split the area off a little bit and have half of it as a salon. So I'm really excited. There's a lot of work to do, and like I really cannot be bothered with this part of it, taking them down. I'm going to have to take everything off it, take them down and move them again. But I think it'll be worth it, and if I can get some paying clients in, well, it'll definitely be worth it. So let's go check out the space downstairs. So everything is all over the place at the moment, but this is the space that I've got to work with. This is all going to be gone and moved, and this area here will be, hopefully, a hair and nail salon. So this is where the division, like the divide is. And obviously this is like this is the nursery part of it, but it's everything's just all over the place at the moment, so it's gonna take a while, but yes, I'm excited. So this is the progress that I've got done so far. There's still so much to do. I think that's gonna be like the hair station. It's gonna be there as like the hair station, and then my nail desk is gonna go here. My chinchilla was up here against this wall, and she's like chewed all the freaking what is off, so I need to decide what's gonna go there. Ideally I would want my like my nail racks to go there, but obviously I need something that's gonna cover that. So my certificates, for instance, could go there, and then maybe the nail ones could go like one above the other or something there. Maybe they could always go over here, but then there'd be more on the hairdressing side. But I mean, that's not an issue, it's all still going to be one room. But yeah, I'm hoping I can get as much done as I can in this vlog, because it'd be good to just have it all in one vlog. But yeah, I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to get done, because obviously it's Saturday night now, and I mean I can probably get the majority of it done, to be fair, but obviously I need to edit this like for 5 PM tomorrow, so, and Greg's out all day tomorrow, so I'm going to need him to help me put the things up and stuff. So we'll just see what happens. I'll try and get as much in this as I can. So I can't even remember what I last showed you guys, but this is what I have come up with so far. So this is like going to be the hair station, and I need to put my mirror on there. All of that's going to be moved, and then the mirror's going to go on there. And then this chair here, depending on whether I've got a hair client or a nail client, it'll just be moved to where it needs to be. So yeah, so it's quite exciting, and I just want to get it done, and there's just so, you don't understand how much there is. Look at all of this in here. All of this needs to be done by Monday before the kids come. All of these need clearing through because they're going to have to be where my hair products are going to go. All these shelves are just, there's just so much rubbish, just so much stuff. Oh my god. But I've got my little hood dryer there, which I love. I think this will look alright once it's got like the mirror, and then obviously I'll have like some hair products like hairsprays and stuff on there, so it looks more like a hair station. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is where we've got to so far. It's the next day now, and I love that there's like there's a window at each side. That one's drawn at the moment, and it's just so bright in here all the time, so it's really, really good and it works really well. There's a light at this side and a light at that side, which means when we're over here I can have that light on and that window and it's bright, and same at this side. So this is where we've got so far. I've taken all the stuff down off my shelves and I've brought them down. They're all in there at the moment, and I need to get them up. I need to figure out where they're going to go because I need to, I'm thinking I've got 3 nail certificates at the moment. I'm thinking just 1, 2, 3, and that should cover that bit. But then it's where do I put the nail shelves? That's the tricky problem. So I'm not sure. That's my niece, by the way. So that's just, yeah, a slight issue. But I like this corner, the way that I've got that set in the corner now. I'm thinking I can have that over there again with the LED light and the nail drill on like I did before. And then this is sort of the hairdressing area so far. All of this stuff needs to go, which means I need to find a home for it. And there's still, like, all of this up here, I'm hoping to be able to find better places for it. But at the moment, that's all good. But I feel like I've done a lot in here. There's been a lot of progress in this area. So I've managed to kind of put some bits where they need to go and get rid of a few bits and make more space. So tomorrow morning when the kids come, like, it will be doable. I'm watching Homes Under the Hammer just to get me in the mood. I'm going to have to sign this vlog off soon because it is Sunday and it is nearly 12 noon. And obviously I need to get this edited and uploaded for 5. But I'm going to try to get a little bit more done. And then it's going to be a matter of going through everything as and when. So for instance, I need to go through all these drawers and organise things better, and then there'll be more space for things, if that makes sense. So a lot of the stuff that's kind of not got a proper home at the moment, hopefully eventually will do. But that is what we have done so far. Okay guys, so this is where I have got to so far. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself for doing like as much as I've managed to do. But this is where I've got to. I've got my certificates up there. Like, they're not perfect. Like, well, I think it looks fine. It's fine. So there are my beautiful Eclipse certificates. I love them. I love those frames. Those frames are from B&M. I did like a haul last year with those frames. But yeah, this isn't completely ready, but I've got like some magazines and some hairy bits about. And yeah, still more to do, lots more to do, need to get them up. Right guys, I've had a slight change of plan and I've decided I'm going to put all the footage for the moving of the salon into next week's vlog. So this is now next week's vlog, but I'll hopefully explain that to you all in the intro anyway. Look what's just arrived. So I've got this. Now, this is what I'm going to hopefully be using to film, because the thing, I don't know if you can see it in the corner there, that I normally film on, I will have showed you guys this. There isn't anywhere for it to go in this new setup. And this goes on the table, and I'm just hoping that it's going to be sturdy enough, because obviously I know that I've mentioned before that this table's not mega sturdy. Like, if you find stuff, it is going to shake, and I'm just hoping that this isn't, you guys know what I'm saying. I've also ordered this lamp. Now, I saw a lady who had a video of her salon, and she had this lamp and it was linked in the description, so I'll go have a look, and it looks to have really good reviews. So if anybody else has this lamp, please do let me know. But let's get it all set up and see. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. So this is what the setup's looking like so far. This is the lamp. This lamp is very cool. It moves in all sorts of different ways. Even like this bit moves. I'm just not sure how bright it is. It's got like a lot of different brightness settings, but it's really, really bright at the moment. I'm right next to a window, which is perfect. So I can't really tell right at the moment, but I'm really excited. And this, literally, phone goes in there. Perfect. So good. And even if I have clients and they're happy to film, oh my god, it's going to be so good. I'm so excited. Woohoo! So I have managed to get the first lot up. Me and Greg managed to get it up. But The other one that I'm wanting to put on here, like, we've tried twice, and like whatever this is made of is just crap, and it's, the screws are just screwing and screwing, and they're not like getting tight, which is really annoying. So I found some plugs that we might be able to do it with, but it's just so annoying. I just want to get it done. So I am just starting to stack them. I've decided to put all the nail varnishes down there, literally. How do I have that many nail varnishes? Seriously? But yeah. So I'm going to start putting all my acrylics and my gel polishes up. Do I actually have that many gel polishes? I need to get more gel polishes, but yes, I'm excited. Right guys, it is now Tuesday, and this is what the salon's looking like so far. I did do a live yesterday, and I absolutely freaking love this. It is so good, and the light is awesome. So this is still lots of work to do. But I've got all my stuff up. I can't actually remember what I last showed you guys. But in here is looking a lot better now. I've managed to like go through all of that. There was loads of stuff on there before. So I've managed to go through all of that. There's still a lot more to do, but yeah, it's kind of like coming together now, which is exciting. And I need to show you guys upstairs as well, because obviously that has also changed. Right guys, so this is pretty much, it's not like completely finished, but this is like the finished results as much as you're going to see in this vlog at least. And it's kind of pretty much finished. So there's like, I'm going to get another one of these to have on the hairdressing side, because I need one over there, and they're like cheaper than basically any other trolleys. You can get these for like 25, 30 to 35 quid on eBay and maybe Amazon, but I think there might be a bit more on Amazon. And it's really, really good. It's got like the hairdryer, holes and drawers and all that jazz. So I'm just going to get another one and put it over here. So this is the hair station. And this chair will just go backwards and forwards depending whether I'm doing someone's hair or whether I'm doing someone's nails. Obviously it's just going to go backwards and forwards and whatnot. So yeah, it's not completely finished. There's still some things that need like moving. I still want to get that up here, but at the moment we need to figure out how we're going to do it. The walls are just not the best. So like the screws are not getting tight enough in. So hopefully if I get some plugs, or maybe no more nails, but I'm not sure how strong no more nails is. I've never actually done it before. So that's the hair section there. And then obviously over here we have got the nail section, which is my favourite. It's a little bit of a mess because I have actually just done one of my hands. I'm doing a steampunk shoot next week, and I needed to like transform my current nails into like some steampunk ones. So that's like the table, my chair, my certificates are up there, and then I've got like this here is my acrylics and my polishes and glitters and all that jazz. I've got more glitters in here though. And then yeah, this is like all the storage in that. If people want an actual tour where I actually properly go through everything, I can also do that. We've got some hair books that I've got like different hair swatches and stuff in there. And obviously my nail drill. And I think that's pretty much it. So that is it for this section. I'm going to really quickly show you what's going on upstairs, but it's not great. So this is what we are dealing with up here right now, you guys. This is, obviously this used to be the like salon bit with all my nail stuff, and now there's just so much mess. I've cleared most of those drawers out because that would have all my hairdressing stuff in. So I'm thinking in next week's vlog, this is what we're going to be tackling. Woohoo! So yeah, it's a total mess, but I guess that gives us some like something to do next week. And that's just, I've like half done my shoes. I think this black bag has more shoes in it. And yeah. So that is basically what I've got going on up here. It's such a mess, you guys, seriously. Like, just wait till next week when we get all this sorted. So, hello. Yep, so not a whole lot else has gone on this week. Oh, focus. For me to tell you guys about. I went out last night with some friends, and also me and Greg and his family went to do an escape room yesterday. Now, Greg's sister said that we weren't allowed to like video or take photos or anything, but nobody said anything on the day. And I'm kind of thinking maybe I could have done, but anyway, I was told that we weren't allowed, which is why I didn't bother, like, I didn't bring you with me. I wasn't allowed to, like, vlog, but I think it would have been pretty cool to have got like some clips of it. But anyways, yeah, we didn't get out. I was like, what? We did the Alcatraz one in Leeds and we didn't get out. But it was really good. I feel like the first thing that we had to do was really hard, and we would not have got it. Like, the guy had to come in and help us. We would not have got that at all. Whereas the other ones that came after that were all like very solvable, and we got quite quickly past the other ones, and we were literally right at the end, but our time ran out, so. But never mind, it's all good. So yeah, not really much else has gone on this week. I just wanted to keep this video a little bit structured and be able to just show you guys like all the sorting of the salon and all that. So I'm going to now go and edit all of that, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like these kind of videos, because I have thought about doing kind of like clean with me's and organising videos, but I never know whether that's kind of like what you guys want to see, but it could like just be involved in like the vlog. So do let me know in the comments down below if you want to see like this room get sorted, and I will do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.